Hi there, it's Abbie from Location, and are you searching for rural living? Perhaps you're looking to downsize in terms of accommodation space but still require a good level of outdoor space. If so, then this detached chalet located in a rural Norfolk village with open plan living could be the perfect option for you. Let me show you around. So what did you think? If you'd like to know about this property anymore, please do give us a call on 01842 818688.